Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron.
And I'm here to help guide you through the Dynamic Gait Index.
So what is a Dynamic Gait Index? The Dynamic Gait Index, or the DGI, is an assessment developed to evaluate the likelihood of falling in older adults, especially those who may have Parkinson's or a brain injury. It tests the 8 types of gait, namely gait level surface, changing gait speed, gait with horizontal head, gait with vertical head turns, gait and pivot turn, step over obstacles, stairs, and turns. These task everyday movements a client may encounter, from walking with and without obstacles to abrupt turning, stopping, and even various head movements. The test utilises equipment such as shoeboxes, stairs, stopwatches, and a marked hallway. The test also uses an ordinal scale from 0 to 3, with 3 being the highest and 0 being the lowest. The corresponding level of function per score is as follows: 0 having severe impairment, 1 having moderate, 2 being mild, and 3 being normal. The variety of healthcare professionals who can use this, including physical therapists, rehabilitation nurses, and more. Here's how to use the Dynamic Gait Index effectively. The first step is to complete all the patient information at the top. You'll then need to assess each dimension using the functions provided. The final step is to calculate the score and then integrate results within plan. To view a sample assessment of the DGI, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can access and download it for free. You can also access via our platform, filter by community and by assessment, and type in the keywords to find the note faster. Edit however you wish and click Publish to complete. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view healthcare videos in the future.